Hello, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the video. So, you guys are been asking from me to show how I edit my photos. Let me show you how I edit. So, if you guys are using Photoshop or Lightroom, Adobe, any software of Adobe, you guys can easily do and follow my steps. Let's jump right into it. First, make a canvas of 1000 by 1000 pixels because Instagram mainly uses the photos that are from 1:1 ratios. So first make 1000 by 1000 pixel a canvas, and then just place a photo that you want. Let's take this photo, and as you can see, the photo is slightly compact from the size of canvas. So just stretch the photo out and just make sure that if this kind of photo, you can have this bar at the very far left corner, so this can make a good photo out of that. So as you can see there, and yeah, there we go. So this is the perfect size for Instagram photos, and now all you can do, just make the copy of this photo and just write edit on it, and make sure you make this photo a smart object, and then select this photo and hop into filters, and there you can see a camera raw filter. Just click that, and this process the photo, and there you go. There's your photo, and now you can have all the access to your photos: color grading, exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, and all. Everything is there. Just you have to just play from that. So okay, let me take this to 0, and now exposure is very much okay in this photo, so we don't touch exposure. Just add a little bit of contrast, maybe 25. Highlights, I can say -100. We can have shadows a bit below -10 maybe. Oh sorry, -10. There you go. White, take the white look and just add blacks if you want to make the photo more contrasty and all. So let's take this -60. There you go. You have a contrasty image now, and not a bit more exposure, but yeah, a subtle exposure. You can have vibrance a little bit to make your photo more vibrant, say 50, and saturation is around 5. No more saturation, as this can explode the picture, as you can see. So take it at 5. Okay, now you can see there temperature and tint. So temperature in my photos, I usually prefer temperature in blue, like cool photos, not a warm photo. So I can say -10, and add a little bit of magenta to make your photo look like a 4K image. So take it as 20, or you can say a little bit low, 10. Yeah, there you go. A subtle image, and you can see this image, the older one and the edited one. So now there's a graph and lines, you can play with that also. So take this a bit, not too much as this can explode the exposure. So a bit high, and there you go. Now there's sharpening. I don't need any sharpening in this photo for me. HSL adjustments, and you can just change your colors. Let me show you. There's blue on my t-shirt, so you can just change that blue into magenta and all. But I don't prefer this to use. I don't prefer you guys for this, as this can burst other pictures also, like you can see here, this one. So better option is you go saturation. Saturation will dull your image or brighten your colors. As you can see here, this was blue and now it's a little bit of grayish blue, you can say. So I just need a pinch of that. There you go. And now let's add some. There's no more colors in that, so I can play that. Let's go. You can have luminance. Luminance just brighten your image or dull your image, like that. So I want that of 15. Now the most important part I use split toning. This is the main object, as you can see, but I just use blue on the highlights, not too much, but just 10. And in shadows I used to prefer magenta as 5. Yeah. This will make your image look more vibrant. The image is more like a 4K image. Pixels are not bursting the primary, and this is calibration. You can play with that, or you can make your skin look more vibrant. So I just need a bright image. Take this as 70, as this will enhance your skin tones and your color also. So that is how I edit my photo, and just click OK. There you have image, very vibrant image there. You can see that. No much editing, no such bursty pixels in this image. As you can see, this nice and subtle look. No more. And you can also make this photo more dramatic also. You can click this background and remove the background and just add some other objects also. So that's all, guys. That's all I can tell you. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe if you are new to this channel. And also, if you like these types of videos, and if you like me to tell you how to edit photos more and more in Photoshop, like how to add backgrounds, how to remove backgrounds, how to blur, how to not blur, how to just retouch the image, just drop a comment down below and I'll make video on that. So far this was the video. I hope you guys like this video. So okay, bye, peace out.